Hi everyone, I'm Corey Reese, the CEO and co-founder of Ness Computing, the maker of Ness Restaurant Recommendation iPhone app.
And I'm Brett Westervelt, one of the product designers here at Ness. Welcome to our office.
We're really excited to give you a tour today and a sneak peek of a major new release that we're working on that's coming out on Wednesday of this week. Everybody in the office is working away on the release, so things are a little bit quiet now. You can see our mascot, Nessie, a little beanie baby here of the Loch Ness Monster that we've brought over from Scotland because you're only able to get her there. Now come on in, we can give you a sneak peek. One of our favorite parts about working in the restaurant industry is we get to have certain perks like fresh premium coffee. We've got Blue Bottle here on tap. We get a weekly subscription of it and often like to enjoy meetings while having a sampling of it. So we'll start by showing you a little bit of what Ness does today. We have an application in the App Store called the Ness Dining Guide, which is a personalized search product. You boot it up and it will show you a set of cuisines that you might like, and you can swipe back and forth to find one that you're interested in. Let's say that you feel like going out for some Chinese food tonight. You can go and type in Chinese and you can say what city you're interested in. Let's say I want to go and find some in Palo Alto. I can tap that and it will go and give me a list of suggestions for where I could eat Chinese food. I can see a review from a friend, what they've rated it. I have a score that says how much I will like a place. This place is not rated very highly for me. It's a 30%. Let's click on one of the higher places. This one, Su Hong Eatery, a friend of mine has been to and liked. We also have the average rating of a place and the number of people who have rated it, so you can get a sense for amongst the crowd whether or not this is a good place or not. You can also see how similar you are to some of your friends. If you look at your profile page, we have a little widget that shows you who your most similar friends are across Ness. And you tap on that, you can see a rank ordered list of the people who you are the closest taste to. One of my friends, Paul, is a 91% taste match with me, which is pretty close. We both like American, Japanese, and French cuisine. And if we scroll down a little bit here, it'll actually suggest some restaurants that the two of us might want to try together that we haven't been to. Now, the new version of our product makes it so that you don't have to go and type in that search. When you boot up the app, it instantly makes a recommendation for the appropriate meal time based on your current location and what Ness thinks you'd like. I'll turn it over to Brett to give you a demo.
So here's a sneak peek at the 2.0 version of Ness. And you'll notice the biggest difference is that right when you open it, we figure out what time of day it is and where you are and start showing you recommendations right off the bat. And each recommendation is built as this beautiful card that shows you a photo of the restaurant, shows you one of the reasons that we're recommending it, and then also shows you up at the top how much we think you'll like it. And so you can very quickly look at different results. You can, if it's not quite the right location, you can move that around and get some new results. And we've really optimized it for speed and fluidity. And something that we've also made a lot easier is the ability to save places for later. So say there's this cafe that looks pretty compelling. I can just swipe down on it and save it to one of my lists. And it just makes it really fast to find great places. The other thing is if you are interested in going to a place, you can just flick up on the card and really quickly get directions, call it, or send it to friends. And that's a little bit of a sneak peek at the 2.0 version of Ness.
You can get it in the App Store. If you search for Ness or Ness Restaurant Recommendations, it'll be available as of Wednesday evening, April 17th. We'd love for you to check it out and try your next meal with Ness.
Thanks for taking a tour with us.